In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily use the demo trading mode inside the Bybit app. If you want to get an exclusive sign up bonus, you'll find the sign up link down in the video description. Then you'll be taken straight to the sign up page where you can create an account in about 30 seconds and automatically qualify for a bonus of up to several $1,000s. All right, once we are inside the app, we can simply go up here to our profile, then go to all services down here and then choose demo trading right here. And now we are inside the demo trading mode. You will automatically get $100,000 of demo funds right here if you use the sign up link from the description that you can now use to try out the platform. Let's go to derivatives and choose Bitcoin as a trading pair. And then as you will see, we are now inside of this demo trading mode. I can also quickly open a trade for you just to show you for demonstration. Let's go long right here with any quantity. And then you can see we've opened our first demo trade right here. If we go back from this chart view to this view right here, you can also get a more detailed view. Let's go here to position so we can also see our opened trade right here. So it's exactly just like the normal live trading mode. And if you want to go back at any time, just click right here on start live trading and then you'll get back to the normal mode. Don't forget to claim your sign up bonus right now by creating an account with a link in the video description. And if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.